What's up, community? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Crypto Queen Master. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. So our today video is about new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is Moxie.
Moxie, welcome to Moxie Farms. Milk the blockchain, move the moon. Milking the market, you can see here 19 days, 19 hours, 55 minutes remaining. You can see here the minimum target is $20.64 million. Maximum target is $150.64 million. So you can buy your token now. Moxie, welcome to the funnest and most profitable farm in Web3. So you can go to the white paper and see here the white paper PDF Moxie. You can see this. Welcome to Moxie Farm. Now Moxivian, Blockchain Foundation, Community Leadership, NFT integration, storytelling, reward system. You can see the further detail. Moxie community voting topics, new partnerships, launchpad project, meme contest, and NFTs, game update proposals. You can see here the further detail. Growing your Moxie farm now, mine NFT, feed and hydrate, increase milk output, earn milk tokens, expand your farm. So you can see here now Moxie meme token futures, real-time listing, volume charts, liquidity charts, volatility charts, free discount, community ranking, cow bank, NFT backed lending. How it works, you can see here, use your Moxie NFT as collateral to borrow funds without selling your assets. So you can see here the detail. Moxie ecosystems, Moxie gamify NFT ecosystem, DAO, DeFi farm, Moxie tokenomics. You can see here tokens allocation. You can see this. So we discuss all detail later in official website. So we go to the website and you can scroll down and check here. Now thought there was no humor on the blockchain. Meet Moxie, the first cow in crypto that does not produce milk, it produces token. Moxie is not just another meme coin. It's a farm-themed game, a living NFT universe, a launchpad lab, and most importantly, a community-driven story. What you will do in the future. So you can connect your wallet, mine your own baby Moxie NFT, feed it, hydrate it, milk it for real rewards, and become part of the blockchain funnest profit machine. This is not just a play to earn system. It's a fully blown stacking economy, a social DAO, and a metaverse in the making. So you can see here the Moxie milk pictures. You can see here with cow. You can see this, and you can scroll down and check here what is Moxie. Overview: Moxie is a meme plus DeFi plus gamify protocol, born in the decentralized farming universe and the pioneer of on-chain humor. Our mission to make you laugh while you earn, to build a DAO where the community leads, to blend NFTs and finance around one adorable cow. So you can get started now. You can see a milk and stack. Stack the milk, feed the chain, milk use cases, feeding farm animals, buying and upgrading NFTs, gaining extra voting power in the DAO, purchasing in-game items from the marketplace. The longer you stack, the more you produce. Just like a real cow, the better you care, the more it gives. So you can see here now, you can see some pictures, hatching phase. You can see here now, started February 3, price $0.005. Grassroots growth is upcoming, start date 21. So you can see here the price $0.010. Cream boost phase tag it. So it's upcoming now, start date 21, price $0.013. So you can see here now the listing date, move to the moon is upcoming, moon countdown is upcoming, burn storm momentum is upcoming now. So you can see here the price, burn storm momentum $0.017, moon countdown $0.020. You can see here the RTail, and you can see here mind your Moxie now. Moxie NFT, Moxie Hertz. You can see here the 5,000 unique Moxie NFTs have been minted. NFT holder benefits, unique in-game abilities, voting rights in the DAO, access to airdrops and exclusive events, passive income through milk stacking. And you can see the further detail burned out the herd governs. The community decides Moxie delivers. Moxie is governed by a DAO. All holders of Moxie and NFTs can participate in the Burn Council to help shape the project. Voting topic include new partnership with project get listed on the launchpad, meme contest and NFT collection. So you can see here all detail. You can see this farm game, live it, play it, move it. Rise your baby Moxie, milk it, stack it, and earn now a browser-based play to earn simulation where each player manages their own Web3 farm. So you can see here now merge your very own baby Moxie NFT, nurture it with food and water, watch it grow and produce more milk, collect daily milk rewards, build your empire and conquer your quest. And you can see here Moon Labs meme queen launchpad. So you can see at the lab the next big meme are born in Moxie Burn launchpad features. Moxie stackers get whitelist access, community vets project before investing. Launchpad revenue strengthen the DAO's treasury, enter early, exit with milk. Token sales. So you can see as you total supply, Moxie is designed with a balanced long-term token economy that fuels farming, community growth, DAO governance, and meme-powered expansion. Fully verified smart contract, locked liquidity, revoked mine authority, no hidden mine, no rug pulls, community focus. So you can see here the smart contract address on source skin now, and you can see here the token distribution, sale round ICO 30%, liquidity and stacking 20%, DAO treasury 15%, team and devs 12%, community and airdrops 10%, partnerships and exchange 8%, game rewards 5%, strategic reserve burn up to 5%. So this is the token distribution. You can see here token allocations. Now you can see this all detail. You can see this MoDux, meme token, Dux analytics, on-chain clarity for meme coins only, key future, live leaderboard of trading meme tokens, real-time volume, liquidity and volatility charts, fee discount and perks of Moxie stakers. The most moved tokens ranked by the herd. You can see here now, you can see the token utility. What can you do with Moxie? Stack it, earn milk tokens over time, spend it, buy NFT, feed upgrades, market items, vote with it, participate in DAO decision, invest with it, assess launchpad project, view Moon Labs, play with it, boost gameplay, unlock rewards. So you can get started now. You can see this MoveMind AI powered NFT creator. You can see here now use Kazi, generate memes, cartoons, awaited, mint on chain as collectible NFTs, use in game or as part of your art. See all others, tag them, earn milk now. You can see this Cowbank NFT backed lending. Your NFTs are not just cute, they are collateral. How it works: loans are based on NFT value, risk score calculated by karma level, stacking and activity. Our collateralized loans protect both borrower and protocol, turn idle cows into active capital. So you can see here now, you can see this MoonGuard, rug detection and trust secure detection systems, scan smart contract data, review dev wealth behavior, liquidity logs, tokenomics, include community voting. So you can see here all detail, final rewards, Moxie is more than a meme coin, a full-on gamified experience, a thriving NFT ecosystem, a community-led DAO, a sustainable DeFi farm, a playful but powerful Web3 lab. So you can see here the CryptoX roadmap. You can see here 2025, the Mo Awakens, customer 1 to customer 2, smart contract added, token creation and deployment, ICO phase 1 and phase 2, private and pre-sale round, NFT Mind Genesis, baby Moxie launch, 2025, the Mo Awakens, customer 3 to customer 4, ICO phase 3, public sale, Moxie stacking and milk farming launch. You can see here 2026 expansion of herd, customer 1 to customer 2, farm game V2, NFT series 2, feed and hydration mechanics added, marketplace integration, Moon Labs launchpad goes live. 2026 expansion of the herd, question number 3 to question number 4. Doubt Raspberry becomes active. MoveGuard V1. You can see here the 2027 from field to chain. 2027 from field to chain. Question number 3 to question number 4. 2028 movers and multi-chain. Question number 1 to question number 2, 2028 movers and multi-chain, question number 3 to question number 4. So you can see here all is the roadmap. So you meet our experts. So you can see here now this is the team members of this project Moxie. If you want to get in touch now, then you can enter your name, enter your email, enter your subject, then you can enter your message, then you can send your message now, so that you can join this project on following social media platform, Telegram, Twitter. Now our website video is finished. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.